front of us this incredible piece of technology. Explain it to us, how does this all work?
So it's amazing to have you here on the Siemens booth. What you see here is an electronic assembly for iWatch cases.
Oh,
and basically what we are showcasing is how to use additive to improve the efficiency of such a factory in every industry in the world. So we are talking about this part here.
Yes, and we have an approach that we have a digital twin of this whole machine and production line. And with this digital twin we start into NX and start redesigning the part. First of all, we are lightweighting the part up to 60% lighter than it was before. Secondly, we optimize the design. If you just hold it together, maybe we have a topology optimized design, which is also enabling the part to less energy usage in the machine.
So Seren, you spoke about the lightweight quality of the prototype that you have in your hand. Talk about the support structures that you use in this technology.
So support structures are a thing you need for several technologies in additive, but in FDM it's most challenging but also most efficient to use less or no support, and that's what we realized within this design. So we added chamfers, analyzed the part and its functionality and functional elements, and then realized the supportless design. Even in the sole you can see like a chamfer here as well, and that is enabling us to print this part without any support.
Thank you, Seren and Julian, for talking to us and for the great demonstration. Have lots of fun in Formnext.
You too.
Thank you.
Yeah.